Hello, fellow dividend investors. It's that dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. Hopefully, everybody had a great green day in the market. As you can tell, I did not, but I'm not super worried about it. Market fluctuation, I've become pretty immune to it, so it doesn't bother me. So, today we are down about $460. The week we're down $18. The month we're up $969. 3-month mark, we're down $3K, which is actually, I'm happy to see that. For the year, down about $400 in all time since the 13th of 2 years ago. We are down 591. So, as you can tell, there was some green in the market, and then it's back down. So, it's not a huge deal. So, let's take a look at the individual holdings. Realty, 15 shares, 773 equity, 45.38 is our average cost. About 5% of the portfolios in Realty. Down 71 today, up 92 overall. So I think we are actually up on the position. Yep, we are. Altria Group, 98 shares, $4,000 of equity. That's going to be going up here in about 15 days. 45.30 is our average cost, so I can cost down average on this. About 24% of the portfolio is in Altria, down 118 today, down 430 total. Coca-Cola, we got 20 shares, about $1,000 of equity. 51.26 is our average cost, and then almost 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola. Down 33 today, down 80 total. FRT, 1 share, $77 of equity. $113 is our average cost, so I could buy really low on this. Almost half, geez. Well, no, sorry, not almost half, but like $30. About 0.5% of the portfolio is in FRT. That will be going up. It's a dividend king. Down $6 and change today. Down 35 and almost 36 total, or 31%. Then PepsiCo, 1 share, 135.48. 131.54 is our average cost. About 1% of the portfolio is in Pepsi. Down $2 today. Down up $4 or 3% total. Then Disney, this one's going down again. 3 shares, $205 of equity, 105.53 is our average cost. About 1.2% of the portfolios in Disney. And I am down on the position currently. small position, or excuse me, small loss. Geez, sorry guys. Long day at work. Lowe's, another dividend king. 2 shares, about $190 of equity. A little over $100 is our average cost. 1.12% of the portfolio is in Lowe's. So could cost on average about $7 a share here. Down $11 today, down 14 total, or down about 7.5%. AT&T, down below my average cost again, which I love to see. 33 shares, about $1,900 of equity. 31.05 is our average cost, so I could cost down about $1 here. 11.3% of the portfolio is in AT&T. It's a dividend aristocrat, so I don't mind having a pretty big position in AT&T. Down 66% today, down 61 total. AbbVie, 60 shares. These two have been ones that I've, AT&T and AbbVie are ones that have just been like on a tear. So AT&T was at like 38 forever, and now it's low, and I want more, but I'm trying to be good and buy 36912. Same with AbbVie. I got in at a good time, and even with the corona scares, it was only down to that point for a little while, and then it peaked right back up. So I have 60 shares, about $5,000 of equity. 72.22 is our average cost. I bought it when they did the Allergen acquisition. 30% of the portfolio is in AbbVie, down 16 today, up 578 total, about 13% positive on AbbVie. Then American Express, my choice for credit card stock. I like it more than Visa and MasterCard, simply because they pay a better dividend and the price is better. I'd rather pay $83 for 43 cents instead of like $200 for, or $180 or whatever it is for Visa, and it pays like 23 cents or something like that. So it's, I don't know. I mean, yeah, the dividend's not really there for me. This one I like the best. So 3 shares, 250 equity, 97 and change for average cost. 1.5% of the portfolio is in American Express, and I could average down over $10 here. Down $15 today, down 43 total. SKT, 21 shares, 13.40 is our equity, 12.05 is our average cost, so I could really cost on average on this one. About 1% of the portfolio is in SKT. They are a dividend aristocrat. $13 down today, 118 total. J&J, we have 2 shares, a dividend king, $300 in the stock, 135.79 is our average cost, so we're up on this. 1.7% of the portfolio is in J&J, up $2 today, up 22 total, or about 8.3%. Then we have another dividend king in 3M. Small position, we got 2 shares, about $300 of equity, 147.28 is our average cost. 1.73% of the portfolio is in 3M. Today we're down 11. Total we're down $5, about 1.8%. Then we have Target, another dividend king. 10 shares, $1,000 of equity, 87.68 is our average cost. 6.4% of the portfolio is in Target. Down 14 today, up $192 or 20, almost 22% on Target. Then we have Dominion Energy, 2 shares, 161 and change for our equity. 80.52 is our average cost. About 1% of the portfolio is in Dominion. Down $2 and change, or 1.62%. And then all time we're up 35 cents. Or excuse me. Sorry guys, it's late. Or we're up about 0.2%. Exxon Mobil, this is one I'm going to be putting a bunch of cash into in the next month and a half. So I just got my check and I'm going to be putting $1,000 into the market like I do every month. That's the plan. So I'm going to be putting $2,200 into Exxon Mobil, but then next month I'm putting another $1,000 in. So all together at this current price, which I'm estimating at $50. So this is $10 less than that, but about 81 shares. Yeah, we'll just do 80. Whoa, I said 80. My bad. About 80 shares at this price. I had guessed about 74. So I'll be making a little bit more money if I buy 6 more shares. So that's the goal, guys. About 75 to 80 shares of Exxon Mobil, because that will boost 36912 up a very good amount, up over $100. So I'll be over $100 every single month in passive income. And that's really the goal, guys, for the year. So once I hit that, I'll be pretty happy with the portfolio. I do have dividend drip turned on, so I don't have to worry about doing it myself at all. The portfolio is going to be self-managed at that point with dividend drip. So we're down $72 today, down 973 total on our 32 shares. But this is going to have like almost $4,500 of equity in the stock. Then we have Walgreens. We have 1 share. 43.44 is our equity. 54.60 is our average cost. 0.2% of the portfolio is in Walgreens. They're close to dividend king status, so I added them a long time ago. I just haven't added more. But I'm down about $3 today, down about 11 and some change all time. So down about 20% of the stock. And I believe that's it. Yep. So then for our watch list real quick, I'm going to have all these stocks. Like I'm going to buy them all eventually. But anything lower than 100 is a buy for JP Morgan and Chase. So definitely would be buying JP Morgan today if I had the cash to do so. That is a $50 upside in the stock. So that's great. Kimberly-Clark at 139. Yeah, I'd want to see it more down to like 120. So I'd probably hold off for right now. Illinois Tool Works, about a $40 upside in the stock. 38, so yeah, I'll take it. Anything more than $30 I'm going to buy. So, and what I mean is it's at 190, right? That's a 52-week high. It's at 52, so right now there's like $38, right? No. Yeah, it's a 90, so $40 would be, if it was at 150, it'd be at $40, so it's $38 of upside. So anything above 30, really above like 25, I'd take. So 30 is just extra. Ecolab, 74, 84, 94, 104. So there'll be 204. So about $30 and change in the upside for that as well. So I'd be buying Ecolab at this price. Definitely buying Property Group, anything below 300. Colgate, it's closer to its high than its low, but it's a king, so I'd buy it. Procter & Gamble and Colgate are one of those, or excuse me, 2 of those stocks that like they're both kings, so I just want them because they're king status. I don't really care about the price, so I'd kind of let my strict, buy guidelines fall to the wayside when it comes to kings. So I'd definitely be buying Colgate and Procter & Gamble. It's like my second favorite stock of all time. I just haven't bought it because the thing doesn't drop as far as I want it to. So I will be buying Procter & Gamble relatively soon. Then we have Clorox, another dividend aristocrat. They are at 196 and 214, so like they have like a $10 upside. 20, well, yeah, I'm not buying it. It's still too high. American States Water, $10. Nope. 96 to 26, so to 106, 116 to 126, $30 upside. Buying Waste Management at this price. Anything below like 130 or at 130, I'd be buying. So definitely buying that with like a $14, whatever, $12 more upside than I'd want. there for IBM. Goldman Sachs at 177. It's supposed to be at 250, so that's almost $100. Well, like $80 of upside in that stock. So definitely want to buy some Goldman Sachs. I wanted another bank. Instead, I switched out Home Depot for Goldman Sachs because I wanted another bank. So I added JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs and got rid of Home Depot because I like that they've paid their dividend and if they do big hikes, but I prefer dividend growth over more hikes every year or like a bigger percentage. So I got rid of Home Depot, switched it out for Goldman Sachs just because I wanted some banks in the portfolio as well. Wanted a little bit more of the financial sector because all I had was American Express. Then we have McDonald's. It's at 177, 87, 97, 207, 217. So definitely buying McDonald's at this price. Like $30, $40 upside. Public storage, definitely buying. I'm buying public storage 230 and below. So anything below that is great. So that's an insane amount of upside. To 200, that's $60 of upside in that stock. Yeah, I definitely want to buy PSA. So most of the stocks are buy right now. Most of them are down. So I did get my check, and like I said, guys, that will be going towards Exxon Mobil, as will the 1,000 for the month regularly. And then in May, probably mid-May, I'll transfer another 1,000 over, hoping, like I guesstimated about $50 a share. So anything below that, like right now, I'd be getting $10 more a share cut off from that. So I budgeted about 74 shares, and right now I can get 80, so I get 6 more shares of Exxon Mobil, which would boost me up. I think it was like $82 paid by Exxon a month, and I already have about 25, I think, more dollars to that, so it should be about 110 or something like that dollars a month. So that's the goal, guys. Just going to be transferring money over from savings and adding it to the brokerage account and then buying some Exxon Mobil. And then once Exxon's bought, I'm buying strictly on ex-dividend dates for that month. So this month would actually be like AT&T or AbbVie or Procter & Gamble. So next month, being May, will actually be the month to buy Exxon because it'll pay the next month. So see, I'm buying stocks 1 month ahead and before the ex-dividend date, so I get those added to my portfolio. Like I get more dividends every single month. So I should have been doing that the entire time, but I was just buying stocks that I wanted when I wanted. Now I'm being a little bit more systematic and strategic about my plan. So after May, that will be my plan of attack. So when I do have my buys kind of outlined, just so I buy the right stock on the right month and the right day. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I've been getting a lot of Instagram DMs and stuff like that. If you want to talk to me on there, feel free. It's a direct way to talk to me, or the comments or whatever. I reply to every single one of them either way. I reply to both Instagram and YouTube as quickly as I can. So if you want to talk to me on Instagram about investing or whatever, I love this, so feel free to talk to me. It's at the same Instagram handle as the YouTube channel is, that Dividend Guy. Like I said, feel free to hit me up. I know a few people who have watched the videos have talked to me, and I'm super happy about that. I love engaging with other investors. It's really good to kind of get a community going. Just surround yourself with like-minded people who can push you and keep you, motivated, even in down times, which the market being down doesn't really bother me, but, just sometimes it's hard to stick with things. Even when you're passionate, sometimes the passion kind of burns out. So it's really important for me to have, interactions with fellow investors. It really does mean the world, and it keeps me fired up. So thank you guys so much. Anybody who has DM'd me, I really do appreciate that. Commented, that kind of thing. It really helps keep me motivated. I mean, this is like a 40-year goal here. I want to have like $2.8 million when I retire. So that's really the goal, and I'm going to give half of that to my buddy's kids, because if I never have kids, and they're the closest thing I have, and I promised him that I'd take care of his kids, so that's my way of kind of passing on generational wealth for him and his family, just taking care of him and his, because he's like a brother to me. And then the rest of the money will go to my kids if I have any, or I'll just live it up in my 60s or 50s or whatever. So that's the plan, guys. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, feel free to follow me on Instagram at that Dividend Guy. Hit the subscribe button here on YouTube if you enjoy dividends, passive income, personal finance, that type of thing. I try to be as consistent as possible here on YouTube. I don't post that much on Instagram. I'm more on there to just talk to people, and I follow a lot of financial pages on there too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I post Monday through Friday. If you want to see videos on a daily basis on Monday through Friday, when you hit subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Like I said, I post every single weekday. So sometimes I'm a little lazy on Fridays if it's my day off. So I'll make sure to post this Friday, though. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Take care, and hopefully everybody has a great day of investing. See you tomorrow, guys.